Okay, I think I got this camera thing right. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Trina. You all might know me as the mini me of Katrina. So yesterday was my birthday and I had a spectacular party that all my friends decided to throw for me. So also they ended up getting me all these wonderful gifts that I want to show you guys. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, first present. I think this one would be good to go first. So this one is from my best friend Nina. We've been friends since the beginning and I wonder what it is. So let's see what it is. I wonder what's inside here. Oh my gosh. It's these fabulous pair of shoes that I told her I loved at the mall. Get a closer look at them. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. I so have to call her after this. So let's move on to my next gift. Okay, so this gift is a gift from all the girls in the house. I wonder what it is. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see these adorable red shoes? Just look at them. They are so beautiful. Thank you. What else in here? Whoa, this will totally match those shoes. And they got the top too. I love you guys so much. Oh, I love you guys so much. Oh. So this gift is from my friends Cheryl and Gina. So let's see what they got. Look at all these things in here. Okay, I have to show you guys. So first thing we have is this adorable silver headband. And this cute pink necklace. And a matching purse. What? Don't act like you don't put all your Christmas clothes on when you get gifts. Lastly, they gave me this clutch. Thank you girls so much. So there's one more gift that I need to open. Oh my, it's so big. Oh, I wonder who it's from. So this one is from Jason. Oh, let's see what he got me. That's my boyfriend, by the way. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's a rainbow eye bag. Hopefully it's the one I want. Oh, you know how these surprise bags go. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this and try to keep my composure, okay? Let's open this. I wonder what bag I got. And before you say anything, these purses are compatible with Barbie. So let's see what I got. I love this bag. It says, this is not a designer bag by Rainbow High. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the amazing gifts and the amazing birthday wishes on Instagram and YouTube. I love you guys so much. So that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.